I'm gonna attempt my first drive. Right now I'm gonna just put the wheels on. Currently I have to adjust my coilovers because I set them super high. I've already started lowering it. Alright, here goes our first test drive. Alright, my brakes. Forgot, I took my brakes apart. Man, it vibrates like hell in here. I don't care. Right off the bat, you can already feel the difference on the torque. I mean, yeah, it's not fucking crazy, but compared to the 20, different. This car feels solid. No leaks. Man, these 88s are solid. It vibrates the freaking cabin, but I love it. So we have a situation. Top of the header is rubbing on all this stuff that's black. I marked up the permanent marker, but yeah, I gotta either bang that in or trim it. The only thing about banging it in is I don't have that much room with the hammer, and I don't want to pull down the subframe. I'm just trying to clear, because the vibration is insane with the header. Since of course the K24 sits a little taller. Oh, it's getting there. Se hizo piso. We have clearance. Plenty of clearance. Took a while, but fuck. That's one way to do it if you don't want to pull the fucking subframe off. I knew there was a issue with the header, but I didn't fucking pay attention to this shit. I was too focused on getting the whole engine done. Now I gotta remove my old exhaust, because I have a new Catback coming. kind of open header right now because I didn't bolt up the exhaust. So I'm gonna be swapping that out tomorrow. I just got a delivery from the wonderful large brown delivery truck, and it's time to put our exhaust on. So it's finally here. I went the eBay route. Quick look at that. And I need an exhaust for this. I have a custom 3-inch exhaust that really sucks. Freaking fence pole piping crap. This is really good stainless steel 3-inch exhaust. V-band. And look at that, you can see what I'm talking about, what exhaust can do. Right now I do have a JIC Sparta. It is a titanium exhaust. Shit, it's been melting my freaking. This muffler I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna just have an axle back custom made. Look at this crap. Because the titanium on this blew out, the back blew out. Here's this gem. Man, this thing's so beat up. The back blew out. It's lighter than shit though. Here's my old exhaust under my mid pipe. It's garbage. I'm gonna be reusing this canister. Just gotta get a new axle back. Probably like this, a 3-inch stainless steel. New hardware, gaskets. That Catback was garbage. Freaking Walmart bag. Got stuck on there and melted. The hangers on it broke off. Re-welded, broke off, disappeared. Man, I'm surprised it's the same diameter, 3-inch, and this one does not touch any other frame, from what I know. So I turn it on right now. It's a V-band. Rev9 Catback, 2006. Value. so quiet. It's this freaking resonator that's quieting everything down. Sick.
Quick little rip. Nice to have a nice and quiet exhaust, even though there's a shitload of rattling in the cabin, but that's what you do when you upgrade to a 88 motor mount. Once a neutral, it's all good.